Hello, I'm David Nicholas from SylMaster, and today we'd like to introduce you to SylWrap SC, which stands for Super Conformable. We produce this product to be able to deal with wrapping around curves or complex contours more easily than the standard HD wrap, which is more rigid. The open weave and flexibility of the SC allows you to really fit into the crevices and round complex shapes. As with our other wraps, the SylWrap SC is activated by dipping into water for a few seconds and then wrapping tightly around the pipe. In this video clip you can see SylWrap SC applied across the surface. It's applied with a 50% overlap where possible, and you'll see it following the complex contours across the pipe. Whilst wrapping it, you add additional water and keep smoothing the surface of the pipe to assist with the wrap and also to produce a full cure. Additional bandages can be added to complete the repair. Once the wrap has been fully applied, add further water and keep smoothing the surface until the resin has started to cure. You can see that the repair is now complete with fantastic uniformity across the surface.